Masquera say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanga kukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa garo ka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasmare Zimbabwe, takuigirai nyaya yabuditswa ne Pindula News yabuda ichitaura pamusoro pe the MRP, the Mtwakazi Republic Party irikunzi yakasubmita a petition for self-determination ku the Southern African Development Community Secretariat ku Botswana last week, and zirikunzi kutaura kwatiri this petition yaka-acceptwa ne the SADC Secretariat ku Botswana, and zirikunzi they are looking into it. In an interview with the Southern Eye, the MRP leader Mkondi Simoyo atara iye achiti parizvino vaka-exhaust all my internal remedies in their quest to restore iyo irikunzi the party yavo the Mtwakazi state, since they want the Mtwakazi state to be independent from Zimbabwe. Vakataura ivo vachiti they want mamwe maparts Midlands region anga ari the former Mtwakazi state pamwechete nematebeleland yese kuti ive independent from Zimbabwe. Vakataura ivo vachiti they are also advocating for the resolution of the Gukurahundi issue for Zimbabwe. Tisingaziye kuti munoona sei vakabuda pamoyo during an interview with the Southern Eye vachitaura yachiti in a significant development, Tobias Fuyana, representative of MRP and chairperson of Botswana South Charter, submitted a letter to the Southern African Development Community Secretariat headquarters in Gaborone, Botswana on Friday. The letter I wrote reiterates the party's unwavering commitment of self-determination and lists specific legitimate demands, including a quest for dialogue and action regarding Mtwakazi self-determination. Notably, the submission of this letter coincided with the upcoming SADC Head of State and Government Summit scheduled to commence in Harare, Zimbabwe on August 17. This timely submission ensured that MRP's demands and concerns were brought to the forefront of regional attention. Zvokabuda zvichitaurwa navamoyo vakaendera mberi during this interview vachiti the Mtwakazi Republic Party is firmly committed to achieve the full independence of from Zimbabwe through peaceful means. The SADC Secretariat's acknowledgement of receipt assigning reference number 3951863 signifies a crucial step forward. The Secretariat's assurance of engagement with us on this critical issue paves the way for a potential breakthrough, heralding a new era of cooperation and understanding. The MRP navigates the complex landscape of regional diplomacy. The party remains steadfast in its commitment to achieving total independence from Zimbabwe through peaceful means. As the party pushes forward, it remains steadfast in its pursuit of a brighter future for the Mtwakazi nation, illuminating the path towards a new era of freedom and prosperity. The Mtwakazi Republic advocates for the restoration of the envisioned Mtwakazi state, which the party asserts encompasses the Matebeleland province and parts of Midlands province. Tisingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi yabuditswa ne MRP. Is SADC going to listen to zviri kutaurwa this MRP kuti vari kuda kuti Matebeleland in some regions Midlands awanikwa achibuditswa muSADC? Tiudze zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section. Kuchara kwatiri kuita the ZANU-PF party vakabuda vachipa warning ku this Mtwakazi Republic Party vachitaura ivo vachiti they are not going to let Zimbabwe ichiitwa zvakadaro, they are going to deploy masoja nearmy to make sure kuti Zimbabwe icharamba chiri chinhu one. Nyaya yakabuditswa nemaizimbabwe.com vachitaura ivo vachiti tensions have escalated between the ruling ZANU-PF party and the Mtwakazi Republic Party after the latter claimed to have established borders within Zimbabwe. effectively seeking to separate Matebeleland from the rest of the country. ZANU-PF has responded with forceful warning, vowing to crush any attempts of secession. Speaking at the Yatambira Petition School of Ideology Orientation Workshop for local authority officials in Harare, ZANU-PF National Political Commissar Munyaradzi Machacha declared that MRP's actions constituted a declaration of war against Zimbabwe, and we cannot negotiate our defense, our security, and preservation of Zimbabwean unity. Internal peace and security is not negotiable, and interference is our internal affairs. These are and interference in our internal affairs. These are non-negotiable, Machacha asserted. And Machacha expressed strong disapproval of the MRP's action, stating the Mtokazi, those young boys setting their bodies here in Zimbabwe, is unacceptable. Partitioning the country, splitting it into smaller states, that will be totally unacceptable. Anyone trying to do that is declaring war on the state, and the state will descend on them. The MRP, founded in 2014 in Bulawayo, advocates for the independence of Matebeleland, a region historically known as Mtokazi, which encompasses parts of present-day Zimbabwe and Botswana. The party seeks to revive the Mtokazi state, which existed before the colonization of Rhodesia. Their Facebook page describes the MRP as a revolutionary organization fighting for Matebeleland's independence away from Zimbabwe. Machacha's strong words come amidst a backdrop of growing political tensions within Zimbabwe. He acknowledged that divisions exist within both the ruling ZANU-PF and the opposition parties, and we have noticed that there are disputes in both the ruling party and opposition party. The sons of Zimbabwe are fighting against each other, and in ZANU-PF there are frictions, which is the same with the opposition, Machacha said. Machacha also expressed concern about the activities of opposition activists, accusing them of attempting to sabotage the recent SADC Heads of State and Government Summit held in Mount Abden. He warned that ZANU-PF would not tolerate any such actions, stating, "Some of us, the strategies being used by the opposition leading to anarchy are not acceptable. We will see you as terrorists, and we will apply muscle, and we will use maximum power." The Yatambira Petition School of Ideology, under Machacha's leadership, is undergoing a transformation, moving from a ZANU-PF project to a national program. The indoctrination program, which started with local authority officials, will soon be extended to lecturers at the Zimbabwe's Institution of Higher Education. Meanwhile, Local Government and Public Works Minister Daniel Garwe, addressing the gathering of local authority officials, emphasized that the workshop was not a partisan event. "We are here as Zimbabwe, and we are here to declare our aspirations as Zimbabweans to shape the way forward," Garwe said. "We are not here for partisan politics. This is not a partisan project. This is a national program. We are not here to facilitate allowances, but we are here for a national cause. We are here so that after 3 days we are better equipped to run our councils in a patriotic way and developmental manner," he added. The strong stance taken by ZANU-PF against the MRP, coupled with the ongoing political tensions within the country, raises concerns about the potential for further unrest. The MRP call for secession, while met with strong opposition from the ruling party, highlights the simmering discontent and regional tensions that continue to plague Zimbabwe. Donya yabuditswa muri Zimbabwe and the Newsday vachitaura pamusoro pedis MRP party iyo iri kunzi they want to create a border between Matebeleland and mamwe parts Zimbabwe, vachitaura ivo vachiti kubva kudhara the Matebeleland yanga iri independent from Zimbabwe tingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi, what is going to happen. Ndofunga zvakare pane nyaya imwe yabuda iri kunetsa the diaspora community vakutaura ivo vachiti after what happened maweeks apfuura ekuti the SADC protest hainobudirira, and they now want to form a shadow government iyo iri aligned neZANU-PF ichanga ichifandwa ne the diaspora community. So kutaura kwatiri kuita these unrests haana kumira mushe ari munyika yeZimbabwe. Basi ndofunga manzuro amazviita the ZANU-PF political commissar vabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti havasi kuzoziya zvinhu zvakadaro zvichiitika. They will make sure that they deploy masoja nemapurisa. What MRP is doing is they are trying to declare war on Zimbabwe. Tingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi hazvisi zvichatrigger another gukura hundere. Tiudze zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.